Once upon a time, there was a princess. She was very beautiful. Many times, many men and princes came to the palace to win her hand to be her husband. But it seemed to princess that each of them just looked at her beauty and her beautiful dresses and crowns. Nobody ever saw any other quality in her. She said to herself, "They always feel that I just have my fine dresses and crowns. Why can't they see any other quality in me?" One afternoon, after one of their visits, the princess thought, "I sometimes wish that I was little again. I'm fed up of meeting these prince and just, showing myself and my beautiful dresses." She found her favorite ball from childhood, the one that sparkled when she threw it up high to the sky. She took the ball to the palace yard and threw it higher and higher. One time, she thought, "Let me throw it extra high." And when she ran to catch the ball, she fell down. The ball also fell down and it went right into the royal well. She ran faster to catch the ball before it could drop inside, but by the time she reached there, it was already in the well. She cried, "Oh no, that was my favorite ball. This is terrible." Just then, a small green frog poked its head above the water. That frog said, "Maybe I can help you." The princess said, "Yes, please get my ball." The frog said, "No problem, princess, but there is something I must ask of you." She said, "What do you mean?" He said, "Promise me that you will spend time with me today." She said, "I am not sure what you are saying." He said, "I am just saying you spend your time with me again. That's it." She said, "All right then, go and please get my ball." He said, "Don't worry, I am on it." Then he went deep inside the well. A few minutes later, he came with the ball in his hand. The princess said, "Thank you. Now give it to me." Then she turned back to go back to her palace. The frog said, "Hey you, wait a minute. You promised to spend your time with me today." She said, "I have already spent my 2 minutes talking to you. Thank you so much. Now let me go back." And the princess walked back to the palace. That night at dinner with her family and the royal advisors, there was a knock on the door. The servant opened the door and saw nobody was there. But when he saw down, a small little frog was standing. And the frog said, "Hello, the princess had promised to spend time with me. Now here I am." Then the king heard him saying these things and he shouted, "Daughter, did you promise to spend time with this frog?" And the princess was scared. She said, "Yes, Papa, sort of. I had promised. I said it, but Then she said, "Okay, you froggy, come on in." The servants quickly set a new place for the frog to sit on, and he jumped over to the royal dining table. Then they were discussing something on the dining table. King was saying something and the advisors were saying something, and they were very confused what to do for the problem. Then suddenly princess said, "Father, can I say something? Can I suggest you something?" Then the king said, "Hey you, little girl, stop. I have my advisors, believe me. I don't think so you can really help us." Then the frog said, "Can I say something?" And it was the first time he had spoken at the table. He said, "I think you should give her a chance. She is an intelligent girl. Trust me, there is more to a princess than her fine dresses and crowns." The princess was looking at the frog and she was thinking, how could this little frog say so many things for me? Oh my god, she was very happy. After the dinner, the frog bowed to the princess. He said, "You have done what you had promised. Now I think it's my time to go back, to leave your palace." She said, "No, wait, it's not that late. Let us go out for a walk in the garden." The frog was happy again. The two of them walked in the royal garden. The frog was hopping along the wall so that he and the princess were at the same level and they could talk easily. They laughed about many things. Later, when the sun set, they admired the deep rosy color in the sky. The princess said, "You know, being with you tonight was very much a fun for me. I had a good time with you, Froggy." Then the princess started laughing. She leaned over and took the frog into her hands and kissed the frog lightly on his cheek. Something happened, some magic happened. At once there was a puff of clouds and smoke. The small green frog had changed into a young prince. The princess jumped back in surprise and she was thinking, "What have I done?" The prince quickly told her not to worry. He said everything is okay. Years before, an evil witch had put a spell on him that he must stay a frog until he will be kissed by a princess. And the witch had thought that this will never happen. But now it has happened. Now the prince and princess could get to know each other better. Now daily they would spend so much time with each other. And few years after, they got married and they had a beautiful setting in their palace. They put the ball on the royal dining table, and when there was a sunlight through the windows, the ball sparkled for all to see. So they lived happily ever after.